Okay, guys, we're going to start real quick, making sure it's still not too loud. I don't want to blow your ears out. Before I introduce Jared Black, who is the concrete supervisor expert on this ride, he actually loves talking in front of people more than I do, believe it or not. Can you guys in the back hear me okay? So to your right, like I was explaining to the group in the front, this is the end of the drop. So the ride ends with this final turn that brings you back into the station. We've got the locker building over there you can see completed. We'll have a beautiful park where you can overlook Lake Silver. And then of course the drop, which is right behind me to my left. Exit bridge right over there connected to the ride already. And the ride will go towards the giant swing to start out. There's a traditional lift that takes you up to get you on the concrete channel. You'll see a little bit later. And then you'll navigate that long river journey, nearly 5 minutes long, until you get to the elevator. Jared's just really going to quick tell you just a little bit about the concrete, how much we've laid so far, how he got to sleep in this morning, and some other things. So Jared's going to take the platform here, and he's going to talk real quick.
Yeah, this ain't my specialty, but we've been pouring concrete actually since January, almost every day. There's probably going to be about 11 to 12,000 cubic yards in this whole ride. Underneath what you see here, there's anywhere from 2 feet to 5 foot thick of concrete. It's been a day in, day out process. We actually started pouring concrete at 2 o'clock this morning. We had pump truck set up and poured about 400 yards this morning already. You guys are still down below finishing it.
Hey everyone, this is Cullah Hale-Benz from Destination Thrills, and today I am here finally with another Mystic River Falls construction update. I feel like it has been forever since I've done one of these, and really it has. The last one I did was before the announcement in August, so we are well overdue for another construction update, and what a way to bring them back than to do one with a behind-the-scenes tour provided by Silver Dollar City and Ace. So again, a shout out to Ace and Silver Dollar City for allowing us to do this event. It was awesome, and I got some really good footage, as you can see here. Tons of progress has been made on site, and we got a little bit of insider information as well. I did ask some of the park representatives that were there when they plan on opening the ride. Obviously, no set date has been planned yet, but they are targeting Memorial Day weekend. So again, that is just a target date. That's not a confirmed date. It could open sooner, it could open later, just depending, I'm sure, on the weather and also the construction progress over the off season. So let's get into the construction work that has been done. And the first thing you notice when you walk back there is the station. It's a great grand opening to the entire area and attraction. And this thing is pretty massive, so it's going to be a really eye-catcher. It's going to be at the bottom of that big drop that the ride provides, and a lot of work has been done to it. I wouldn't say it's near completion. There looks like a lot of work still needs to be done, but the lockers have been in place and some of the loading dock areas are in place. Another thing I noticed was the theming. It is already looking good, and we're only halfway into the construction project. The rock work that has been done is impressive. And what Brad Thomas mentioned in his presentation is that this isn't fake rock that they're using. They are actually importing rock from the Ozark areas. They're having it loaded on a truck and brought in to this attraction to be put along the side of the river raft. So this is real Ozark rock that you're seeing here. And that is just the level of theming that Silver Dollar City wanted to put in this attraction. And I can tell you, it looks beautiful, it looks stunning. I'm really excited to see the finished work, but you can already tell, look at the rock work that you see in this video. It is impressive and it is massive. So this is gonna be, needless to say, an immersive water attraction. And a lot of the canal has also been in place as well. The only thing I did notice is that the structure for the drop has not been worked on yet, or at least it's not been erected. I'm not sure what work is being done onto the base. I know the manager of concrete was saying that they have tons of work still to do and a lot of concrete to pour, and they've already poured tons of concrete as it is. So needless to say, construction is still in mid-gear and still a lot of work needs to be done. But looking at it, I can already envision the project and it looks beautiful. Now, we also got a sneak peek of the food that's going to be provided in the new barbecue house, and it was good. I had some of the ribs and a pulled pork sandwich. I wish I would have got a video for you guys, but you'll have to just trust my word on this. It's Silver Dollar City food. We know it's going to be good. As far as the building's concerned, a lot of the outside structure has been in place. Now it's just a lot of the interior work that needs to be done. We didn't get much video from the inside of the area, so I just shot this footage of the outside, and not much has changed since our last construction update as far as the outside of the structure is concerned. But we did get to have food out in the little patio or outdoor eating area, and it's gonna give you some fantastic views of the ride. That's actually where a lot of this footage has been taken from. So this is gonna be your view when you're sitting out having barbecue on that deck. So that's pretty cool. Now, this wouldn't be a construction update from me unless I try to get my camera through some of the holes in the wooden walls from the outside. So I did take some extra footage around the park. So I'm gonna end this video with some of those shots for you. Again, I hope you enjoyed this mini construction update. This will probably be my last construction update of the season. I think I might make it down to Silver Dollar City in December, but that is starting to look very less likely at this point. So you'll have to wait until 2020 opening week, and I'm going to try and make it down there to get you an updated look at the construction, and I'm sure by then we'll have lots to talk about. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a like, and as always, subscribe to Destination Thrills to get all the latest theme park news and content. I'm Cullah Hale. Have a good one.